straightest possible pose. Okay, they are all now getting ready to start. Number 2, Hungary is just entering the starting block. It seems that Iran is not present, unfortunately. One crew less to compete. Okay, and they have started. Who's going to be rushing first? Here in line 6 from Japan. And in line, in line 6 from Australia. There's a strong start for you. Japan staying a little bit behind, only a half a length of the boat for now, but it will probably get longer and longer. Some nice shots we are having here. First, Belgium, then Australia, then Denmark, then Hungary. As I said, Belgium with Arthur Peters in it and his colleague Bran Sikkens. Quite a strong crew. For now, they are heading for the first place. Just to remind you, you have to swim to the finishing line as a 5th crew maximally to qualify to semifinals. Well, you can be qualified after that, but it is by a stretch. And who was first? First, yes, Belgium was first, number 5, and who was 6th? I believe it was Korea, but we will have to wait for a replay to confirm, and also for results from Photoshop. Yes, first place, Belgium. From the start itself, they were taking the lead. You just have to admire these people. Their movements look almost robotic, but still. No. I was mistaken last time. 6th was Japan. Korea was 7th, so Korea doesn't have any perspective for qualifying to semifinals. For Japan, well, they have to wait and see. Other than that, Sweden, Hungary, Australia, Denmark, and Belgium qualifying for safe